Hey guys, with Thanksgiving coming up, I decided to make something special from my hometown for my friends and my family. So this is kind of dessert from my hometown. You can't find anywhere, even in China. I think this is simple. You can make it at home too. So this is what I will use. I mixed with the peanut and sesame. And sugar. And then what I need is wheat flours and some vegetable oil or any oil you like. And then I need some pork oil too. This is very important. With the pork oil, you can make the dough crispy and fluffy. So you need some pork oil, and that's it. Okay, now let me show you how I make the dough. I'm gonna make the dough first. 500 milliliter. I'm gonna make more. 2 times of 500 milliliter, so total is 1000 milliliter. So now I'm gonna add some oil. So for 1000 milliliter of the flour, I need about 180 milliliter of the oil. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna add some water, 250 milliliter of water. Now mix them together. Now I'm gonna use my hand. This is perfect dough. Then now put some peanut in it, fold it together. You fold the edge again. My mom always make this during the Chinese New Year, or whenever she needs to do the worshiping. She makes this to treat the Buddha. Then in my hometown, we called it koga, but maybe it's easy to remember for peanut dumplings. Let's fry it. So when the oil is like 70% heat, means it's ready to fry. Remember to use the medium heat to fry it. If the heat is too high, it will burn the dumplings. The first time I fried it, a lot of dumplings were opened while I was frying it because the dough was too dry, so they couldn't stick together, and then while I was frying it, they all opened. But now I can make the dough better, so they all turn out perfect. When the dumpling turn to golden or brown, means it's good to go. And then my peanut sesame dumplings. This takes a while to make, but it really is so worth it.
Oh, stop moving.
See, I told you.